opisyal nang kinumpirma ni Kapuso actress Kate Valdez at dating Pinoy Big Brother housemate Fumiya Sankey, ang pagtatapos ng kanilang relasyon matapos ang mahigit isang taon nilang pagsasama. Ayon sa naging joint statement ni Kate at Fumiya noong Linggo ika-8 ng Pebrero taong 2026, sinabi nilang hindi nila naging intensyong magkaroon ng iba't ibang conclusion mula sa publiko ang tungkol sa kanilang relasyon. Anila, "We want to acknowledge the confusion and speculation caused by our silence and recent changes online. We understand that this has led to various conclusions. This was never our intention." Dagdag pa nila, "From the bottom of our hearts, we are truly grateful for the love, support, and kindness you have shown us throughout our journey. Your encouragement has meant so much to us, and we will always carry it with us." Pagkukumpirma ng dalawa, na pagdesisyonan daw nilang maghiwalay na ng landas para sa kanilang personal na paglago, paghahanap ng oras, at espasyo. Following considerable thought, we have mutually decided to go our separate ways. This decision was made with respect, understanding, and care for one another. We believe that this step is necessary for our personal growth, as we each need time and space to focus on healing and self-development. Ayon kina Kate at Fumiya, wala raw bitterness na namagitan sa kanilang dalawa at humingi sila ng pag-intindi at respeto mula sa kanilang mga taga-suporta sa kanilang paghihiwalay. "There is no bitterness between us, only gratitude for what we shared and hope for what lies ahead. We kindly ask for your understanding and respect as we move forward separately." Dagdag pa nila, "As we share this, we also hope for kindness and understanding from everyone. We respectfully ask that there be no hate or hurtful words. Let us choose empathy, respect, and compassion for all involved." Patuloy rin daw silang magpapasalamat sa suporta ng kanilang mga taga-suporta bilang mga individual na tatahakin ang sari-sarili nilang landas at hindi bilang magkarelasyon. "We truly appreciate your love and continued support, not as a couple, but as individuals walking our own paths. May we continue to share love." Matatanda ang isinapubliko ni Kate at Fumiya ang relasyon nila noong Hunyo taong 2024.